It's all too easy for businesses to think of social media as a cost-effective PA system for the internet. But companies that just broadcast their message don't know who hears them, what people are saying, or if anyone's listening at all. Truth is, it's the information coming in that counts. Spiral 16 is an affordable engagement and analysis solution that makes it easier to promote your message through social media and to make sure it matters. Completely scalable, Spiral 16 works with businesses of all sizes, from a single company to franchises with thousands of locations. With Spiral 16, brands can manage all of their social media profiles from one dashboard and identify brand advocates and influencers, allowing you to engage strategically and have meaningful conversations that spread the word across the web. But wait, how about measuring this activity? Spiral 16 gives you one powerful toolset for reputation management to understand your brand presence as well as your competitors, learning from the data you've collected, so you can continually improve your social marketing in a way that affects your bottom line. And we don't just plug you in and walk away. Our expert implementation and support staff customizes the platform for the specific needs of your business. Don't waste your time and money shouting into the void. Engage efficiently with Spiral 16. Schedule a demo now to see Spiral 16 in action.